Good morning, class 7th. Our today's topic is sedimentary rocks. Sediment means small fragments, small layers, which was formed when rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other. These sediments are these sediments are transported and deposited by the action of wind, water, and ice. The sediments are compressed and hardened to form the layers of rocks which are called sedimentary rocks. Again we are going to describe the again we are going to repeat the definition of sedimentary rocks. Means the sediments are compressed and hardened to form the layers of rocks uh, which are called sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed in three ways, either by mechanically, chemically, or originally. These rocks cover about 75% of the total land area. How much? 75% total land area of the earth. Common examples of sandstone made up of the grains of sand, shell made up of clay, mudstone made up of silt, clay and sand. Conglomerate that is made up of sandstones and pebbles of hard rocks, etc. What are the characteristics of sedimentary rocks? So, sedimentary rocks are softer than igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks have horizontal layers arranged one above the other. Sedimentary rocks formed mostly underwater and have marks of wave and mud cracks. Sedimentary rocks have remains of plants, animals, and other microorganisms which are known as fossils. In Hindi, I am going to describe you this topic in Hindi that sedimentary rocks igneous rocks से सॉफ्ट होते हैं. सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स हमेशा हॉरिजेंटल लेयर में अरेंज होते हैं एक के ऊपर दूसरे. थर्ड है फॉर्म्ड मोस्टली अंडर वाटर. ये हमेशा पानी के नीचे फॉर्म होते हैं एंड हैव मार्क ऑफ वेव एंड मड क्रैक्स. यही कारण है कि उस पे पानी के वेव और मड क्रैक का ये मार्क्स दिखाई देता है. सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स पे हमेशा प्लांट, एनिमल और अदर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म के रिमेन पाए जाते हैं जिनको फॉसिल्स कहा जाता है. मैनी सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स हैव ऑर्गेनिक सेडिमेंट्स. Whatever the sedimentary rocks, each and every sedimentary rocks have the organic sediments which have compacted to form coal or petroleum and natural gas within the layer. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to great heat and pressure. Metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks are being heated and are in pressure. The physical and chemical changes bring the change in texture and structure of the parent rock. Whatever the physical and chemical changes would be possible there in the parent rock after metamorphism. Metamorphism, in other words, we can say recrystallization. Examples of metamorphic rocks include anthracites, quartzites, marble, slate, schist, gneiss, and granulite. Anthracite is a type of coal which is a high carbon content, few impurities, and with high luster. Marble is formed from the sedimentary rocks of limestone, while quartz is formed from sandstone sedimentary rocks. Slate is a metamorphic form of mudstone sedimentary rocks, while granulite is formed from igneous rock basalt. Now the characteristics of metamorphic rocks remains in the original position after changes. ये हमेशा अनेक परिवर्तनों के बाद भी अपने ओरिजिनल स्थिति में बने रहते हैं. हार्ड एंड हैविंग हाई स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी. हार्ड एंड हैविंग हाई, इनमें ग्रेविटी जो है हार्ड और हाई होती है. डू नॉट हैव एम्प्टी स्पेसेस, इसमें कोई एम्प्टी स्पेस नहीं होता. सो आफ्टर दिस आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल बी रॉक साइकिल. So tomorrow onwards we have to discuss about this topic.